Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your microphone not working on TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to clean our microphone port, and our microphone port is at the bottom right here. This little dot is for our SIM tray. Now this is our microphone, and we want to make sure that we clean it. It's very important because if we don't clean our microphone, then there can be a lot of dust. You can easily lose your microphone that way, so it will either not work or everybody will hear you like you're muffled. And now what are we gonna do after cleaning the microphone port with a non-metallic tool, so a soft brush? We're gonna test the mic in a either recorder or just the app. So here we have the smart voice. Here we're gonna record that, and as you guys can see, audio transcription support session lasting from 15 seconds to 2 hours. So here you guys can record. As you guys can see, whenever I stop talking, as you guys can see, there's a big difference because it is jumping here but it's not jumping here. So we can stop it up, we can record it, and it'll be done. So you can also listen to it. I know for a fact that my microphone is working, but it all depends on you. And what are we gonna do next is we're gonna go over, press the power button, volume up button, and as you guys can see, we wanna reboot into safe mode. So if you did not see what I did, press the power button, volume up button, and hold the power off, go to OK. And they will reboot in the safe mode without any third-party apps, so you can check for the third-party app issues here. Now we are in safe mode. As you guys can see at the bottom, there are no third-party apps. Nothing is working. As you guys can see, downloaded app disabled in safe mode, so that's how it works. And now if you want to go back, you just press the power button and the volume up button again. Now tap restart and it will restart into the normal mode. So I'll see you guys once it restarts. After the restart, as a last resort, what you guys can do is update your software. So we're going to update our software just by going into the settings. Of course, make sure that you do not have airplane mode like me. Here we go to settings. Scroll all the way down to system and system update. Here, make sure that you have internet connection. And as you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. It is very important. And that's it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.